Hello everybody, welcome to ASL, Ahmedabad School of Linguistics. I'm your host Ronak Vaidya. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to learn vocabulary. Let it be German vocabulary or French vocabulary or Spanish vocabulary or for that matter of any other language. How to learn vocabulary. And I know this can be one of the most dreaded thing for anybody who wants to learn a language because learning vocabulary it can be very tedious and time consuming. It's not real and it's not that easy, okay, for most of the people. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the different approaches, okay, how you can learn a vocabulary. Now, let me tell you upfront that there is no one size fits all approach here. Just like these fingers, everybody who learns a language has a different characteristic. Everybody who learns a language learns it differently. Okay, so one approach which might sound very boring and utterly waste of time to you might just be the approach for somebody else. So let's get started. However, okay, let me tell you one more thing. Sorry. So let me tell you one more thing. If there is another approach which you think I have not covered but that has worked perfectly for you, by all means be a guest and please, let us know more about it in the comment section below. I'm all ears. So, welcome aboard and let's get started. Now, the very first approach, it might sound very pedestrian to most of you, and that is learning vocabulary and remembering vocabulary by writing. And I know this can be really time consuming and utterly boring. But for some people, that's the approach that works for them. So that is one thing, okay, that you keep writing the vocabulary, okay, practice it by writing and then you do it. Another approach that works for some people is the flashcard approach. So what they do is they create flashcards, and by the way, nowadays there are many other websites also where you just put down all the vocabulary, and that website through the program that they use, it creates flashcards for you. And so that's another approach how you can learn vocabulary. Third approach is picture dictionary. Now, why does this approach works well for most of the people is, that our brain, okay, when we see a word and when we associate that word with some picture in our brain tends to remember it easily. And so that's why this approach works quite well for most of the people. And so when you are learning a new language, I highly recommend you to buy a picture dictionary. But you know what? Just don't buy any random picture dictionary. Buy a picture dictionary that has really funny images. And I can highly recommend. I'm not getting any commission for this, but for learning German, I highly recommend one dictionary. Okay, that's published by Langenscheidt Deutsch Bild für Bild. It has really funny images associated with the words. You would love it, I'm sure. Now there is one more rigorous and rather very orthodox approach. Now I'm going to explain this approach a little bit in detail because it is worth it. So this is how it is. When you learn a vocabulary, okay, so let's say you have 10 pages to remember, 10 pages worth vocabulary to remember. So what you should do is on the very first day, you learn the vocabulary. Let's say you are trying to remember German vocabulary, okay? So you have German words and then there is a counterpart English word. So you read it first and you try to you read it, you remember it, okay? You try to remember it and that's it. Try to do it in the morning but in the daytime basically. And now before you go to sleep on the very same day, just try to check. Don't reread. Try to check. So put your hand on the English counterpart or the German counterpart, okay? And then try to check whether you remember that English word in German or that German word in English. If you remember that word without any hesitation, that's perfect. You know that you have remembered the vocab then. But if you don't remember, then just put a tick mark. And now reread only that vocab which you have tick marked. Now, on the next day, before you start reading the second page, on the first page, the vocab that you had tick marked, okay, just try to check whether you remember those vocab. If you remember, perfect. If you don't, then put another tick mark. And along with the second page, reread those second times tick marked vocab as well. And once again, check all this vocab on the second day night before you go to bed. And this way you do it every day, okay, for the 10 straight days. And I guarantee you that within 12 to 13 days at max, you will be able to remember each and every vocabulary. Now, I agree that this is a bit orthodox and rigorous approach, a bit laborious approach as well, I might say, but this approach works perfectly. So give it a try. Now there is one more approach. It's a bit creative, okay, but I highly encourage you to do this. Give it a try at least, okay. And this is my personal favorite approach as well. Now, see, I just now told you why does learning vocabulary with the help of picture dictionary works. Well, because your brain associates, some image with the word that you are learning, and it's a lot easier to remember the image, particularly if it's a really funny image. Okay, so now, but you know what? This can be very tedious if you are trying to remember at least 1,000-2,000 words. For each image, trying to imagine a really funny image. Okay, it can be really time consuming and might not even be possible at times. So rather, what you can do, instead of creating a really funny image, try to create a really funny story. So take a bunch of words, let's say 20, 25, 30 words, okay, and using those words, create a really funny story. Okay, obviously that story will have many other words apart from the desired words that you want to learn. Okay, but that's okay. Create a really funny story, and while you are creating the story, imagine that story in your brain as if you are at the center of that story. And obviously, since the story is really funny, since the story is created by you, you are bound to remember that story. And then, just verbatim, and I repeat, verbatim, try to remember, and you will be able to do it really easily because you yourself have created this story. So don't worry about that. So try to remember, okay, and retell and re-narrate that story to yourself. Okay, let's say in English. And then whenever that word comes which you want to remember in German, just translate that word in German. So for example, a really basic plain sentence, if you want to say that my father works in a big company, and the word that you are planning to remember here is the company, then so my father works in a big company, so you can say my father works in a big firma. The rest of the words you can keep them as it is. Okay, just the word which you are trying to remember, just translate it. Just give it a try. Okay, it has worked very well for many students. It has worked tremendously for me as well. So I can tell you this from my personal experience. Now, at the last and now at the end, one more approach to learn vocabulary, and that is by watching movies or by listening to podcasts. Okay, the only problem, personally at least I feel, is that it does not have very high ROI. Okay, return on your investment, return on the time that is invested. You watch movie for 3 hours, you listen to the podcast for 30 minutes or an hour. Okay, and out of those 3 hours or half an hour or 1 hour that you watch or hear something, the vocabulary that you learn is hardly 5 or 6 or 10. So compared to the amount of time that you spend and the return you get out of it is really less. So I don't encourage that much, but if that is what you want to do, by all means you can do that. Now let me tell you one more thing, what you should not do while you are learning the vocabulary. While learning, you can remember the vocab in an order, okay? But if you are checking that whether you remember the vocab or not, never ask yourself, okay, the vocabulary in the same order. Try to jumble words here and there and check. Because sometimes what happens, you will remember, okay, yes, I know this word, I had read it, it's just below this word. That should not happen. So that's it for now. If you have any question that you would like us to address, do write in the comment section below. Tata, bye bye, cheers.